Hey everyone, this is Mo, and today it's a hot day. Oh my god, it's a boiling day. Trenching day. Trenching day. We're going through the perimeter of the Harvey Park, laying fiber in the ground. Well, let me tell you something, guys. As an entrepreneur, and I know I'm not the only one, there's so many others. Yes, we have to dig. A couple people ask me, why you don't hire a contractor to do that? Yo, first, the projects are not that huge that to hire a contractor. Second, there is nobody funding this but me or us as an entrepreneurs. Third, if I'm gonna hire somebody to do that, what the heck I'll be doing? Sitting in the truck, supervisor? You know, it doesn't work that way. We have to be in the ground and we have to do it. So that's what it is. If you want to be your own entrepreneur, there is so many things you have to do it on your own. You have to know how to do it until the right time comes in, when you are needed to be in a different places and you can't, then you hire some people. So there is a time. There you go. And that trench keep, we didn't cover it completely. We're just trying to get as much as possible done. And so I hope I pull the mandate, like my daughter told me one day. Not me, to my wife, but anyway, that we have to do everything on our own. We have to design the network. We have to invest. It means we have to put our money to buy the equipment and whatever is needed. We have to use our hands and muscles to dig trenches. Excuse me. Man, what is that? Whew. To dig trenches, to get whatever need to be done. And that's what it is. If you are in this business and expecting to be from the first day rolling trucks and telling people what to do, you're wrong, bro. You're completely wrong. This is our third junction. So we left it here. We're gonna put a pole, a box. We have a lot of slack in case we screw up. So to correct it, and we're gonna do a mid span. We're gonna open the cable in the center, pour all the fibers out, and the magic will start there. And then we keep going and going and going and going all the way there. Then we're gonna go behind that bamboo. It is about 150 of these nice homes that they need an internet. I'm doing it wireless right now, but the network is getting so much congestion. Trees are going crazy. You know, I'm tired of putting relays. It works, don't make me wrong, but you know what? You have to babysit it. Fiber is different. You work hard in the beginning, you get the infrastructure done, you do it right. You don't have to visit it and something big happen. Other than that, anyone who'll go in through the phone, get connected, get the Wi-Fi changed to whatever they need, and that's it. They leave everything in there. Next one coming in, phone number, portal page, whatever it is to get hold of you, and then you go from there. Here you go. So this is it for today. It's hot. It's almost about 2 o'clock and I still have till maybe 5, 6 to keep going around the whole thing, and then ends up in the other side of the property trenching. Guys, trust me. If you really think what we're doing is cool and you can do it, you need to get ready. There's a lot of digging, a lot of shoveling, a lot of sweating, and a lot of time that you would say, that's it, I'm quit. But can't quit, bro. All right, see you on the next one.